Guys, so here we are on partial fraction. This is the A plus B theme. So we're going to start off by factoring the bottom. And we just bring the top along. 4, that's going to be x minus 4 and x minus 2. Okay, so remember it does not matter. So A over x minus 4 plus B over x minus 2. Okay, so let me make my little answer box here. So A, give some space, x minus 4, plus B, x minus 2. Okay. So write the answer, the left-hand side down, plus 38 equals, and this is where we kind of, sort of, not really, well, cross multiply. We're going to do it again over here. So B and x minus 4. Okay, so you do x minus 4 equals 0, so x equals 4. So negative 11 times 4 plus 33 equals A times 4 minus 2 plus B times 4 minus 4. Remember, we always should have that situation where it does come out. Let me grab a calculator. So negative 44 plus 38. So negative 6 equals 2A. Divide by 2, and A equals negative 3. So I'm going to put that over here. Okay, now we're going to redo the whole process again. I don't know if y'all saw that over there. With x minus 2 equals 0, so x equals 2. Hold on one second. Bob, stop. So negative 11 times 2 plus 38 equals A times 2 minus 2 plus B times 2 minus 4. Okay. This cancels here, so this is going to give me 16 equals negative 2B. Divide by negative 2, and B equals negative 8. Okay. So remember, you can write it like that, or write it as negative 3x minus 4 minus 8 over x minus 2. Okay. That is that for this part. Okay, next is arc length. So this is going to be number 5. So arc length is r theta. So arc length, radius, angle, and radians. Okay, so the first one, they give us r equals 18, and this is, the theta is 14 pi over 9. So you're just going to do 18 times 14 pi over 9. I get 9, so 18 times 14 is 252 pi. Whoops. Okay, I can reduce this. I believe they're divisible by 9. Yep, oh, how about that? I divided each side by 9. My final answer was 28 pi. Okay. Next one is r equals 25, and theta equals 225 degrees. So before we even get started right here, we do need to do a conversion because that is in degrees. Okay, so I'm going to times this by 180 degrees on bottom and pi on top. Okay, 225 pi over 180. Make sure I wrote that right. Yep. Oops, clear. Okay, if I divide by 5, I get, so I divide it by 5, 45 pi over 36. I think I can take a 3 out. Does 9 goes into both. How about that? 9 goes into both. Look at this. Right, 45 divided by 9. Make sure I remember 5 pi over 4. Whoops. Okay, so now here we go. We got that 25 times 5 pi over 4. I think that equals 125. So 125 pi over 4 is your final answer. Okay. Last one for this is arc length. So if S equals 527.5 and theta equals 12.2 radians, what is R? So we're just going to plug it in. So 527.5 equals R times 12.2. We're going to divide by 12.2. And R equals 527.5. Around 43.2. Okay. Okay, so number 6 is unit circle problem. So sine of 855. So here you got to subtract 360 multiple times. Okay, so 855 minus 360 minus 360 is 135. Okay, so sine of 135 is going to be square root 2 over 2. That was fun. Remember, second angle. Okay, next is cosine of 7 pi over 3. Okay, I don't have a unit circle in front of me, but let's just practice how to convert this back into degrees. So if I have a pi on top, I need a pi on bottom. So the pi's cancel, so 180 times 7 divided by 3 is 420. We do have to subtract from 360 is 60 degrees. So what is cosine of 60? I believe, let me just double check, is 1/2, because it's the first answer. Okay. Tangent, negative 135. So remember, here I have to add 360, and I get 225. And I like this one. So tangent is sine divided by cosine. So sine is going to be negative square root 2 over 2 divided by cosine, negative square root 2 over 2. If you see that this is 1 because I'm dividing by the same number, great. Let's say you don't see it and you're just going keep, change, flip. Keep, change, and flip. When everything cancels out, remember it just equals 1. Okay. Secant of 16 pi over 3. Again, convert. 180 over pi. $960. We're going to have to subtract. I get 240. Okay. So what you need to do first is figure out, okay, this is cosine of 240 degrees. Okay. And then you go look on your unit circle and you see it's negative 1/2. But remember, this is a cosine. So I need to convert it to secant. To convert it to secant, you have to flip. So we're going to get negative 2 over 1, or just negative 2. Okay. Cosecant of 570. Subtract 360, we get 210. So again, we got to find sine of 210. Okay. So go find that on your unit circle. Oh, this is lovely. Negative 1/2. But remember, this is sine. I need cosecant. So to do this, we're going to flip. So cosecant of 210 is 2 over negative 1, or negative 2. Oh, that was lovely. I'll be honest, love that one. And then last but not least is cotangent of 900. So 180. So cosine of 180. So remember, tangent, let me come back all the way up here. Can y'all see that? Sine over cosine. Cotangent is cosine over sine. So cosine of 180 is negative 1 divided by 0, sine of 180. So that's negative 1 over 0, which is undefined. Okay, I hope this helps. I will see you in the next video.